After I learned how to make chicken like this, I don't want to make it any other way. This recipe is unbelievable. We'll use 100 grams of chicken thighs, and here you can use the brand that you prefer. Okay guys, let's dive it into 300 milliliters of orange juice. That's right guys, natural orange juice. Okay, after boiling it with the juice, we are going to season it. Here I put garlic, paprika, salt, black pepper, and the idea is for you to put your favorite seasons here. Okay, let's let it there cooking for more, a little bit more, okay, until it's thicker. And then we are going to mix it so the season can go in all over the chickens. We have to reduce this orange juice. After it is reduced, we're going to add 5 tablespoons of shoyu sauce and let it there in medium heat, reducing a little bit more until it's all caramelized. After that, add a little bit of water, cover it, wait for it until it's all cooked, okay? Because the chicken has to be cooked, guys. We don't want to eat raw chicken. So go mixing it a little bit, okay? Then let's add some ketchup. I love the taste of ketchup and chicken. Also some mustard, honey. Guys, it's gonna give a very special taste to this chicken and a very juiciness. And it's almost done, our recipe. Let's mix everything very well with the mustard and honey so we can be all seasoned, and it's already done. Here you can see how the sauce has to be very thicker, okay, and the chicken well cooked. Now we are going to take it out from the pan and see how wonderful this recipe is. And guys, you have no idea how good it is. Chicken thighs, very seasoned, is already very good. But with this special sauce with orange, there's no words to describe it. It's breathtaking. Make it at your house, and I'm pretty sure that you and all of your family is gonna fall in love with that. You're gonna be surprised with this recipe. And as you can see, guys, it's very juicy. It's very cooked on the inside, but not dry. You know, it's my favorite recipes of making chicken, seriously. It's super juicy on the inside, but not raw, very cooked. Just looking at it, I feel like eating it. And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us, and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video until here, and see you guys on the next video. I'm gonna leave you guys right now with this perfect image.